we're capable of handling pretty much any small molecule our client would like us to. We have various equipment here. Some of them include dissolution baths, which are useful for looking at the dissolution rate of capsules or gels or creams even for our clients. As we walk around the lab, you can see some other equipment that we have here. In this area, we would have our particle size analyzers, and we discussed that we are well suited to do wet nanomilling suspensions. These particle size analyzers are the pieces of equipment that we can use to then analyze the size of that molecule when we're done our process. Typically, you're looking at about the 100 to 200 nanometer size. As we continue around the lab, we have HPLCs. These HPLCs are useful for determining assay or the amount of concentration of your API in your finished dosage form. In this lab, we're capable of actually developing our methods for our client. So whether it's a cleaning method, an assay method, and purity method, we can develop that method for our client, qualify it at the appropriate stage, and then go all the way to validation. Next, we'll take a look where the chemists sit. This is where our chemists sit. This is our R&D formulations lab. In here, we're able to provide proof of concept for our clients. So we can take their API and put it in capsules. We can put bands around the capsules. We can size their particles in here at a low cost because it's not GMP, it's R&D. Given that, then we pass those capsules on to our analytical lab where they can test it. We can also put it on accelerated stability for our clients and get to that answer quickly if their formulations will hold up over time. This is a great offering that we have for our clients because it is low cost, and if it does work, we can then scale it and transfer it over to our GMP space. We bring equipment in and out of here really on a weekly basis for our clients if they need that. Through SOPs and qualifications of the equipment, we're able to do that. For our clients, we have benchtop banders in here. We can do liquid filling capsules through pipettes. We've brought in nano sizing equipment for our clients. We also have laminar flow hoods for higher classification of products, and we have enclosures for potent products in this area. Next, we're going to take a look at our warehouse. Directly behind me is our walk-in stability chamber. We have a 2560 and a 5-degree cold storage. And then over here in this area, we would have all of our reach-in stability chambers. This would be your standard ICH guideline stability chambers, and we have a few extra in case our clients need special conditions, like a zone 4B, for example. Also down this row, we have our cold storage. We're capable of going down to negative 80 C for our clients. What's great about everything you're looking at here is that it is all hooked up to our building monitoring system. We utilize Reese. So any temperature or humidity or pressure that goes outside of the specified limits, we get real-time notifications via email and phone calls that spec is outside it. What's also great about this area is everything you're looking at here is backed up by our facility generators. We have 2 backup facility generators. The second one is oversized, so if a client comes in and wants their special process or their special piece of equipment backed up, we are capable of doing that for them. We'll continue around the warehouse here. So here you can see down some of the rows of our warehouse where we have excipients for our clients. You're going to see the 2 different storages here. We have approved sections and quarantine sections. As we continue through this area, we get over to our sample room. Our sample room here has dedicated air handling, just like our grade C suite. This sample room has an airlock and an interior room for sampling. We can take a closer look. So we would be inside our sample room airlock now, where we would move materials in, personnel through the door we came in, and then this is our sample room where we will actually sample the products. So a typical material flow here at Altasciences CDMO Philadelphia would be raw materials come in the back door, the guys would receive them into our material management system. They would then go grab the appropriate document or monograph that would list instructions on how to sample and how much to sample. That material then is now moved into the sample room where the required amount is sampled and then passed to the lab. The raw material is closed up, cleaned off, and then moved back into our quarantine section. So here is our DEA schedules 3 through 5 storage. We have a 4 pallet position cage here. And as we look over here, we have 3 reach-in safes for our DEA schedules 1 and 2. In analytical and manufacturing, we have our license for schedules 1 through 5. We're capable of handling any DEA controlled substance for our clients with our safes and with our procedures that we have in-house. I believe the DEA's been here at least 6 times over the past 12 years. Thank you for joining me today at Altasciences CDMO Philadelphia. Should you have any questions about our capabilities or how we can help you, please do not hesitate to reach out and contact us. Our information will be provided at the end of the video. Have a wonderful day.